Hi, I'm Kevin Stenzel, and I welcome you to my channel. I thought I'd take this opportunity to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about me, as I am not very well known to the outside world. Most of my life I've kept a pretty low profile, but after 50 plus years of fishing and doing fish taxidermy, have become fairly accomplished at both. Since I was a teenager, I've enjoyed fishing for all species of freshwater game fish and have caught hundreds of trophy bass, muskie, walleyes, northerns, and even panfish. My wife, who is a pretty good fisherman herself, and I have teamed up and won several fishing tournaments together. We have a lifetime of knowledge of where to go, when to go there, and how to find and catch them. I was fortunate to share the boat with my wife last spring when she had her best day of bass fishing ever with an incredible 5-fish stringer that weighed 46 pounds 11 ounces. And my love for the sport is as strong today as it ever was. Here are a few of my favorites. Even though I'm now retired from taxidermy, I still have a strong interest and try to keep up with all the latest methods. Back when I was competing, I was proud to have had the highest scoring replica fish at every state competition I entered for 4 straight years. I also took first place at the World Taxidermy Show, the only time I attended. I'm also state champion with replica fish in my home state of Wisconsin. Here are some of my favorite mounts. I say this not to brag, but to simply show my qualifications for the videos that I am making. Through my YouTube channel, I would like to share my knowledge with you and truly hope that you learn something from them. I also want to mention that since learning how to mold and cast fish, I turned that knowledge into doing life casting, which is molding and casting people, and have achieved some success in that area as well. The process has allowed me to work with many fascinating people over the years, including models, actors, actresses, and playmates, creating some beautiful works of art. And in the last few years, I realized I had some artistic talent for painting on canvas with acrylics. Here are a few of my favorites, and in the future I plan on creating some more and better how-to painting videos. In my spare time, my wife and I also enjoy wildlife photography and feeding our backyard friends, and I plan to share more of these subjects with you as well in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if this content is of interest to you and you would like to see more videos from me. And if there are any particular subjects in my areas of expertise that you would be interested in seeing, please let me know and I will do my best to make it happen. Thanks again.